Hi guys, today we're going to be using, we just got yesterday, Rukia Kuchiki, whatever, from Bleach. Here she is. Okay. This, wait, the match about to start, so hold up. Okay, I can't do it. I'll show you in the match moves. But first dance White Moon Z X, next dance White Ripple, third, and let's see. Oh my gosh, I can't. You'll just see. Maybe not. Maybe not. She's really good. You should actually get. If you guys wondering, you should actually get her if you want to. She's actually pretty good. I like the skin a lot. Oh, Sasuke. Can't walk. Okay. Let me kick forward. Oh gosh. Snipe. Ooh. I wonder he's done. Transform unscathed. You hurt too much people. Sasuke. Snipe. Wait, that hurts me? What? That's very unusual. Okay, let me show you her moves. Hopefully we'll win. Let me spectate. Please tell me. We lost. Oh my God. We could have won that. Okay. R to equip sword, or if you're on phone, it says 2 swords. We get full stamina. Okay, because you're almost dead. Okay. First moon, White Moon, Z. Z. X. X is next damn White Ripple. C. Third dance, White Sword. Does more damage. Oh gosh. Oh, I didn't make it. See, look at this sword. And then obviously a train still in the battle. See, look at that sword. It just got upgraded. Turn. Next video. I don't know. I'm going to try to play something else in the next video. Okay, that was quick. It is Gil. Gil. Oh my gosh, Gil. It's Gil. See, that's why I wanted that move. And then I froze him though. Because I'm gonna join another server. Do. The music. The music. How am I losing health? What? How am I losing health? What? Oh, the round just started. Wait, no. That was pure lag. Okay. We're just gonna be here in a training room. Hey guys, check out my cousin's channel. And his Roblox account. AAIEDAN_Junior1738. He basically copied my name, but except for the Aiden. Okay. And his YouTube account is Aiden_Junior1738. Aiden_Junior1738. I forgot it. But guys, look up Aiden_Junior1738. I want the long sword. I want the long sword. There we go. Oh, where did the long sword? This is pure lag because at first I couldn't. What? I lost. This is pure lag. Pure lag. Ooh, Goku. Master of Trace. Shoto. Melliitis. Mid. What is? I thought you. God, no. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Subscribe, like, you know what to do. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to Aiden_Junior1738. See ya.